Hello, everyone, and welcome back. This is Fluent English Power, your go-to channel for learning English easily and having fun. I'm Luna.
Hi, everyone. I'm Mason. It's so great to be here and connect with all of you again this week.
Yes, it's wonderful. Mason, how are you feeling today? Has this week been kind to you?
You know, Luna, it's been a week of hard work. Yes, I had many things to do, but I also had some good moments. What about you? Are you doing well?
I'm doing very well, thank you. My week had some surprising turns, making it quite interesting.
Today, we just want to have a natural, everyday conversation.
Yes, just like how close friends talk when they meet up. We are simply chatting here.
Exactly. This style is perfect for you to listen and learn real, everyday English phrases. We just want to chat with you today.
Yes, think of it this way. We're sitting together in a cozy room just talking about life. It's very relaxed. We hope you feel like you are joining us right now.
So before we dive into our chat, please remember to like this video and share it with your classmates or friends who are also learning English. It helps us reach more people.
Yes, please do that for us. And if you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to Fluent English Power. Your support means we can create more helpful content for you.
Your support is everything to us. We love having you here. Okay, Luna, let's start. Tell me about your work life this week.
Well, Mason, on Tuesday, I had a big presentation for the new clients. I spent Monday evening preparing all the slides.
Oh, a big presentation. That must have been stressful. Was it complicated? How did the clients react?
It was a little complicated. The topic had many new details, but the presentation went very smoothly. The clients were happy.
That's excellent news. Finishing something important like that always feels rewarding. So Tuesday was focused on clients. What was Monday like?
Monday was busy too. I had a long morning of phone calls and planning, but in the evening, I took a long bike ride near the river. That was relaxing.
Oh, nice. Biking is a great way to clear your mind after a busy day. Do you try to ride your bike often?
I try to go every Monday. It helps me feel energized. And then Wednesday, today, was much easier. I had time to eat a relaxed lunch.
That's good. A calm day in the middle of a busy week is important. Did you do anything special for lunch?
I went to a new sandwich shop with a friend. We talked about a new song that is very popular. It was a nice, long break.
What about your week, Mason? Did your work keep you busy? My week was busy with work, but I had a very clumsy moment on Wednesday morning. I was making coffee.
Oh no, a clumsy moment with coffee. Tell me what happened.
Well, I was half asleep and I poured the coffee into the sugar bowl instead of my cup. Sugar and hot coffee everywhere.
Into the sugar bowl. That sounds like a mess. Did you manage to clean it up without making a bigger mess?
Yes, I did, but I had to throw away all the sugar. It was a very silly start to the day.
That is a funny story to tell later. So your Wednesday had some excitement. What was your Monday like?
Monday was mainly about my team, organizing the schedule for the next 3 months. In the evening, I was tired, so I ordered a pizza.
Oh, nice. Ordering food is a perfect treat when you are tired. What kind of pizza did you get? Was it good?
I got the spicy pepperoni pizza. It was delicious, but maybe too spicy. I love trying different toppings.
That sounds yummy. I like a little spice, but not too much. Do you order food often or just sometimes?
Just sometimes. I prefer cooking most of the time. It's better for my budget. So my week was a mix of hard work and small funny accidents.
That's a very good way to put it. A busy week with some memorable moments. So, with the week ending now,
Yes. What are your plans for the weekend, Luna? Do you plan to relax after your busy week?
yes, I really need a break. On Saturday morning, I plan to stay in bed and watch a funny show on my laptop until noon.
Oh, that sounds like a perfect lazy morning. What kind of show are you watching?
It's a new show about an old family. It makes me laugh a lot. After that, I want to try a new recipe from my cookbook.
Oh, a new recipe. What will you cook this time?
I want to make homemade noodle soup with chicken and vegetables. I think it will be perfect for the cool weather.
Nice. Cooking a big meal is always satisfying. Anything else planned for Saturday?
Yes, on Saturday afternoon, if the sun is out, I want to go to the flower shop and buy a new plant for my balcony.
Ooh, that's a lovely plan. Buying flowers always makes the house feel fresh. Do you like plants with big flowers?
Sometimes, but I mostly like small green plants. I enjoy taking care of them. They make the room feel calm.
I see. So you enjoy the quiet company of plants. What about your Sunday, Luna? More peaceful time?
Sunday, for me, I think I will spend the morning writing emails to my friends who live far away. I need to catch up.
That's a great plan. Keeping in touch with old friends is important. And after that, what will you do?
In the afternoon, I want to clean my whole apartment. You know, the big cleaning that takes hours. I need to start the week fresh.
That's a very responsible plan, Luna. Cleaning thoroughly for the week is a great idea. It saves stress later.
Yes, it saves so much stress during the busy workdays. I hate having a messy home. It helps me focus better.
I agree. What kind of music do you listen to while you clean?
I usually play some old 80s rock music. It's loud and energetic, which helps me clean faster.
That's a fun choice. So your weekend sounds productive and relaxing. What about your weekend, Mason? Any big plans? Well, on Saturday morning, I will go to a local gym class. It's a yoga class I attend every week.
Oh, yoga. That's wonderful for both the body and mind. Good luck with your stretching.
Thank you, Luna. I need it. After the yoga class, I plan to visit my cousin. She lives in the next town over.
Oh, that's nice. Visiting family is always a pleasure. Do you go to see her often?
Yes, we try to meet every few weeks. We always have so much to talk about new jobs, new clothes, and silly things that happen.
That sounds great. What do you usually do when you visit her? Do you watch movies or play games?
We usually go for a walk by the lake and then stop at a bakery for coffee and a big pastry, something easy and yummy.
That sounds perfect. A relaxing walk and a sweet treat. So Saturday is for fitness and family time.
Yes, and on Sunday, I want to go to a photography exhibition. I saw an advertisement for a new one this weekend.
A photography exhibition. That's great. Do you take photos yourself?
Only with my phone, but I love seeing professional work. I'm going alone in the morning.
Perfect. Time to enjoy the art quietly. And after the exhibition, what are you doing?
After the exhibition, I want to buy new paper and paint. I want to try out some watercolor painting on Sunday afternoon.
Watercolor painting. That's a nice creative activity. What subjects do you usually paint?
Mostly landscapes and simple flowers. I just started, so they're not very good, but it's relaxing.
That's a perfect Sunday plan, creative and relaxing. What about your Monday next week, Luna? Monday next week. On Monday morning, I have a long team meeting to review our plans for the month, so I need to wake up early. It's always a busy start.
Ooh, good luck with that review meeting, Luna. Is it a long session?
Yes, it can take up to 3 hours, but it sets the direction for the week. After the meeting, I will finally eat breakfast.
I see. And where do you eat lunch or breakfast?
I usually bring my own simple food, like a salad or a small wrap. I eat it at my desk while checking my emails.
That's efficient. And on Tuesday, do you have any plans?
On Tuesday, I want to go to my book club in the evening. We are reading an adventure book this month.
That's great. Talking about books with people is very enriching. What are the plans for Wednesday, Mason? For Wednesday, I plan to help my neighbor with her garden. She needs some heavy pots moved.
That's very thoughtful of you. Helping others is important. How long will you be helping her?
Maybe an hour in the late afternoon. After that, I have an online English course to keep practicing new grammar rules.
That's great, Mason. Always good to practice English. And after the class, what do you do?
After the class, I want to go for a short walk around my neighborhood, just to get some fresh air before bed.
That's a nice idea. A walk helps you sleep better. So your week looks busy but filled with good things.
Yes, a mix of practical tasks, social time, and learning. It's nice to talk about our lives.
Absolutely. It helps us feel organized, less stressed, and it's a wonderful way to practice English, talking about simple, natural topics just like this.
Yes, it's not a test, it's just a conversation. And we hope all of you at home are also thinking about your week.
Yes, what are your plans for the weekend? Tell us in the comments.
If you enjoyed this conversation, remember to like this video and share it with your friends learning English.
And please subscribe to Fluent English Power. We have new, easy English lessons every week.
And leave a comment below. We love reading your comments and finding out what you're up to.
Thank you so much for joining us today on Fluent English Power. It was great chatting with you, Mason.
It was great chatting with you too, Luna, and thank you everyone for listening and for your support.
We'll see you next time. Have a wonderful weekend and a great week ahead. Bye-bye.
See you. Take care, everyone.